Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stream on Kick Mobile. Streaming on Kick from your phone is easier than ever, and you can use the official Kick app to broadcast directly from your iPhone or Android, or you can use a stream or the live studio as well. So firstly, make sure you already have Kick app from your device's app store and simply open your Kick app, and from here you need to select this plus icon in the bottom. And that is it. You can choose the type of stream you want. You can screen share for streaming mobile games on your phone screen. You can adjust the resolution in the right hand side. And after you're done, you need to select this circle icon in the bottom. And that is it. That is how you can stream on Kick Mobile. Streaming on Kick from your mobile device is quick and easy once everything is set up. Whether you're sharing gameplay, hosting live chats, or creating IRL content, you can start building your audience directly from your phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.